Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. We're going to take a look at our 2020 216 Grady-White Fisherman. White boat, no bottom paint. Let's go inside, take a look. We've equipped this 21 with a 250 Yamaha outboard. You see the boarding ladder, the walk-through. It's a cushion on the other side, just like that. This boat does have a ski pole. The engine flush is back here. We put the upgraded leaning post, which does have a live well underneath. Picture of the helm. Boat does have a fusion stereo, tilt helm, Bennett trim tabs, overhead box, life jacket storage, the windshield. The seat bolsters and backrests are now standard for 2020. Anchor locker forward. Pop-up cleats, some drink holders. There is a core under the seat, fiberglass hardtop. So it has the tow rail. Once again, that's the helm. Pop-up cleats in the back, some more drink holders. There's a 4-rod rocket launcher across the back with a light. This is our 2020 216 Grady-White Fisherman. Thank you.